This is the piston for the front brake caliper of the E150. It's not made of steel. It's like hard plastic. I guess it was designed to prevent corrosion. I guess it was designed to prevent corrosion here, since this is not steel. There's a thin sheet metal here at the top only. The rest is just like hard plastic, but it's not a simple plastic. It's like fibra. I just discussed a problem with the piston of the Ford E-150. As you'll see here, this is the piston of the front brake caliper. This is not made of steel, and since it's not steel, it's prone to cracking. As you will see here, there's a crack. The material is like hard plastic. It's like I think it's fibra, and you will see the crack goes on the other side here. So there's a risk of losing your brake fluid, and might cause you an accident if you still use this piston which has a crack. And the problem is if you don't know that it already cracked and you're using your van, your Econoline, then you might get into an accident. So watch out for this. I think you should inspect your piston of your front brake caliper for cracking like this. I guess this can be repaired by using a super glue here and an epoxy to fill this hole here, but still it's still risky. So that's all. Thanks for watching.